Alright everyone, I'm glad to tell you all that my update on vk.com search is finished and now playlists have been added to my program. Um, I find the system a little bit confusing. Well, I think that it can be a little bit confusing, so I'm going to make a little tutorial how to get started with the playlists. So up here, I have clicked the hard button to load my favorites from vk.com. These are my favorite tracks. To add tracks to a new playlist, which we have here, you simply select your tracks, drag and drop them in the playlist window, which you can collapse and expand using this thing. The playlist window is movable, as you can see, and it moves with the main form itself. You can also adjust its size like so. Okay, so now we have a couple of tracks in here, and if I want to save them, I'll show the buttons here. It's new playlist to clear up your playlist window, save playlist, open playlist, delete playlist, and you can move items up and down inside your playlist. So right now I'm going to save my playlist as test playlist number 1, for example, and now you have these items you can play, of course. And now I'll empty out my playlist window, and now as you can see, when you click the open button, you get a little pop-up with your playlists, and I currently have one, and when you click it, all the items get loaded in here, and it plays the playlist just fine, as you can see. Alright, say I want to move this track to the top, I just select a track. It only works for one track at the moment. You just click move the selected item up, and it will move up and down. Say I want to delete this playlist, I just click the delete button, and now you can't load it anymore because it's empty. That's basically how it works. Also, say I'm playing this track here, and when you click next, it will continue from the playlist. Yeah, that's a remix because it's censored, as you can see. If this track is not in the playlist, you can right click and remove from playlist, by the way. If it's not in the playlist and I click next, it will continue in the search results. Well, that's basically how the playback mechanism works. If the result is not in the search window either, it will simply stop playing and say, well, my playlist is finished. Sorry for my horrible explanation, and if something isn't clear, you can just ask me in the thread, and I hope this cleared up some things. And well, yeah, enjoy.